I would suggest whenever brands are looking at crafting these strategies, they should be very sure about what is the outcome that they're looking at. And we've seen this in the past. A lot of times the brands are not clear about what they are wanting, and then eventually, towards the end of the campaign, they would end up saying, "Oh, it did not work out for me, or did not give me the ROI that I was expecting."
With this, India is witnessing a completely new trend, influencer marketing. To discuss it and why small businesses should focus on influencer marketing, we have with us Mr. Ankit Agarwal, a digital marketer and a founder of Do Your Thing, that is called DYT, a creators first tech platform with us. Hi Ankit, welcome to SME Futures.
Hi, Nishruti. Thanks a lot. Glad to be here.
Yes. So, over the year, Ankit, the influencers marketing has become an important strategy for marketing. So, what it is about, can you please simplify this concept in brief, and why is it trending now?
So actually, Anushka, the influencer marketing, it has been there for a very, very long time. In fact, the original influencers used to be celebrities and all who used to influence the buying pattern for products. Now, the only change that has happened is with the proliferation of internet and with your camera phones and all of these things getting better and better, it has democratized the entire market. And now anybody can become an influencer as compared to that entire zone being opened up only for a few celebrities till some time back. There are a lot of new brands which are coming up, and every brand would need loyal advocates to speak about the brand and to tell the world about the brand, and that's when influencer marketing kind of comes into play. But now what has happened is it has come down to the fact that you would have genuine, authentic users of your brand, lovers of your brand, speak about your brand. And these are regular people like me, these are typically people with not a lot of number of followers, and whatever number of followers they have, those are like really authentic as compared to a celebrity where you have a lot of people following that celebrity only because of the celeb status. In this case, people are following smaller people because of the content they create and they make. And in all fairness, they might know these guys in the offline world as well. So there's a high level of trust which comes in with influencer marketing, and technology has now made it available and made it possible for brands to speak with a large number of people in one go, and that's essentially what most of them are utilizing. So essentially, it's more of advocacy marketing as compared to influencer marketing, where people who are genuine, authentic users of the brand or the product, they're speaking their heart out, and they're going to their followers and their community and telling them this is a good product, they should try it. But we have a lot of brands. These are startup D2C brands which have just started. In fact, a couple of brands are building the entire brand at the back of content created by these influencers. So they don't have, generally in the offline world or arrangements that you see with most of the brands, they would have an agency, and they would create content. These would be well produced, well crafted content pieces, very well thought of. But now we've seen a shift happening, and now brands are putting this in the hands of the consumers. So there are entire brands being built at the back of content being done by creators or by advocates as compared to these agencies doing it. And there are just enough and more cases out there. Like I said, I'd not want to name these guys at this point in time, but maybe sometime later I can share a couple of case studies which are available in the public space.
Okay. So, what will be some of the best practices that small businesses should use influencing for their brands?
See, there are various ways of structuring an influencer marketing campaign or influencer marketing strategy. Okay, one of the ways can be I would do barter campaigns with these guys, and I would tell them, okay, use the product and create content. That's one of the pieces that, or rather, one of the strategies that a lot of brands use. A lot of other brands, especially the bigger ones, would say, okay, I would give you the product, but I would also give you some money again for content that you're creating. You create content based on what I'm telling you, and then I'll give you some money against that. So that's another piece. I would suggest whenever brands are looking at crafting these strategies, they should be very sure about what is the outcome that they're looking at. And we've seen this in the past. A lot of times the brands are not clear about what they are wanting, and then eventually, towards the end of the campaign, they would end up saying, "Oh, it did not work out for me, or did not give me the ROI that I was expecting." So one of the very, very important pieces is what is it that you're trying to drive with these campaigns? Is it reaching out to more number of people, or is it selling more products, or is it telling the world about your brand, creating the mass awareness that you'd want? Once you're clear with what you're looking at, accordingly, then you'd have to craft the strategy, and go about finding the right people. And again, I think this is the second most important piece, where you find the right person to partner with, and which is where I said, look beyond the numbers, look at the creator, look at what are the kind of content they do, see if the persona matches the brand's persona. So I think these two are key, or rather very, very important while drafting a strategy and while executing one, of course.
So Ankit, where platforms such as you fit in, and how you can make influencer marketing simple for small businesses? Can you please elaborate on that?
Yes, absolutely. So, in fact, what we are trying to do, Nushriti, is we are trying to solve this problem of 90% of the opportunities going to the 10% of the creators, which are the bigger guys. And the reason behind that is smaller guys are not discoverable, considering not a lot of guys are using technology. That's the first. So we're trying to make smaller creators discoverable for brands at scale. So if a brand wants, say, 1,000 creators or 1,500 creators or 2,000 creators to be speaking about their brand or about their product on a regular basis, on an ongoing basis, with tech platforms like us, it's possible. The other thing that we're doing is, with a lot of data coming in, and with a lot of algorithms, proprietary algorithms that we use, which are AI-based, we match make brands with creators based on the persona and not just based on the orthodox keyword-based search. So you would know that this is the right influencer that you'd be working with, or you should be working with. And then there are a lot of other add-ons. I mean, it's a one-stop shop kind of solution. You can run the entire campaign from the dashboard or from the panel that we give you access to. You don't have to call multiple people. Everything's available in one go. So even at 2 a.m, you want to see the results of a campaign that you did, say, 6 months back. It's just as simple as making a couple of clicks on a computer. So that's where we are trying to change, how influencer marketing is done. So traditionally, influencer marketing has been very manual, very, people oriented. What we are doing is we're trying to create this entire Google AdWords or Facebook Ad Manager kind of model for influencer marketing, which has not been there so far, and it makes, of course, lives a lot easier for both the brands and the creators.
So how do you look upon the market growing in India, and what are the implications?
So the market's phenomenal, Anushti. I mean, India is a huge country, and we're just scratching the surface right now. The kind of numbers we boast of, nobody across the globe would be able to, give those kind of numbers to anybody. The second is India has a Bharat within. And that regional content is something which is just completely unexplored right now. There are various reports which say in the next decade, we would have more people consuming content in regional languages as compared to English language in the next 6-7 years or maybe 10 years. So that's like a huge potential that we're sitting upon. India is definitely going to be the leader in this particular case, considering, like I said, the kind of numbers that we have, the kind of talent that we have, and the unexplored potential of regional languages, which is what we're now looking at.
So 2021 is going to end, and 22 is around the corner. So what are the major, trends that's going to be prominent on the next year?
So I see a lot of new categories coming up, and we've already seen crypto becoming very famous. So finance, crypto, a lot of new creators, or rather new categories for these creators would be cropping up. That's one. Regional languages would be supremely important. So a lot of branded content being done in different regional languages as compared to only English as a language. So right now, most of the influencers are in the tier 1 cities, but now the trend has started shifting, and we're looking at tier 2, tier 3 cities kind of catching up really quickly. That's another piece. There are a lot of new platforms which are coming up. So, the guys like, or other categories like voice influencers, those are the kind of things that we're seeing happening, especially with Clubhouse becoming so famous. So a lot of new platforms, new content formats is something that we plan to see in the next 1 or maybe 1.5 years.
Thank you so much, Ankit, for this pep talk for our small businesses and our viewers. So keeping in mind, small businesses should focus on influencer marketing because it's imperative in today's society, and whatever advertising trends we are witnessing in India. And they should also focus on what they want from this influencer marketing as an output, and the regional content is going to be the king. Thank you so much.
Yes.